visible. Yeah, I know I'm muted. I gotta check that out. And now the webcam I need to restart. Um all right. Um but we didn't really get anything done like at all. So yeah. If you guys want to play the game that I'm working on, I'll put it, it's in the description. I'll put it in the stream health is poor again, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to stream today, dude. On Twitch, is it that bad too, or what? I don't understand what's happening right now. So it should be good. Yeah, I might not even be able to stream, bro. If it's gonna keep doing this, I'm just not even gonna stream. Yeah, this is crazy. It just says poor health, bro. The stream current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend user stream bitrate. Like, I don't know what it's doing, to be honest, bro. I don't know what it's doing. Um, it keeps like, it keeps doing something weird, dude. Keeps doing something weird. Like the bit rates or whatever you call it is going up and down constantly. But it's fucking up on Twitch too. It just says poor. Can you guys hear me okay or nah? Can you guys not hear me? Now it's back. Now it's normal. Sometimes this shit is so weird, bro. Like there's nothing you can do about it either. Reset. Oh, dude, I think it's fucking up again. I think it's fucking up again. Bro, what is this? All right, I'm gonna look this up. This is ridiculous. Yeah, my I'm assuming all I can think of is packet loss, dude. I have no freaking idea. Frick if I know, bro. Frick if I know. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I might just end stream, dude. I might just end stream. It's not getting any better. Maybe if I get off of Twitch, it might work. Okay, it's working now. It's working now? Knit on top? Yeah, X, I feel you there. Dude, I don't even know. The stream was like, the stream's been up for like damn near 10 minutes and I can't, this whole time, I can't even like, um, it's not been able to run smoothly with Twitch and YouTube. So I turned Twitch off. So we're just doing YouTube now and it seems to be fine for now. I really have no idea though. So I guess we're not doing Twitch right now. And we're only going to do YouTube. But yeah. I mean, I'm fine with that, honestly. I don't really care. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, it seems to be fine. I guess it's just the whole streaming in two different places thing was just fucking up for some reason. It just wouldn't let me do it today. I mean, it just started fucking up, but whatever. But we're chilling now, I guess. You leaping dirt while streaming right now? That's kind of funny. What are they doing? Let's go look what they're doing. Alright. Well, I was about to end the stream, but I got it working since I turned off Twitch, so, you know, whatever. Still kind of annoyed why that was, like, messing up. What happened to Gag Project? I'm taking a break on it. I mean, it's almost done. It's just I need to build the assets, and I don't really feel like I don't really feel like I don't really feel like doing it, bro, to be honest. Hiring, nah. I mean, I asked my buddy, so my friend that was supposed to be doing it, was supposed to be doing the building. He was supposed to be doing it, and I was gonna give him a percentage, but then it just was like some stuff came up, and it was just really weird. So I was like, you know what, like let's just not continue on the project. And then I asked him if he wants back in it, and he has yet to give me a for sure response. So I mean, if anybody else is building and is a decent builder and thinks that they can handle building a grow a garden type of game, then let me know and I'm down. I can only give you a percentage though. I just joined when what's happening. He was just asking me about the gag stuff. And I don't have currently that chat up right now, so I could potentially do it for fun. Gag has a simple building style, or I know a guy who could. I mean, yeah. I'd have to think about it. Like I'd want somebody who does it want to be like, you know, that somebody, whoever does it ends up doing it. I want them to commit. You know what I mean? Like I want them to actually be interested in doing it. But yeah, I would only do percentage and it wouldn't be anything crazy. Like 20%. It just depends. 20 to 30, something like that. He has good work ethic. I mean, sure. Like if he's interested, sure. Like let me know. But like the thing is like I'm only gonna be interested in somebody doing it if my mic is low. I'd only be interested if somebody's doing it that actually like wants to do it and isn't just gonna take their time on it and is gonna actually be consistent and get the work done quickly. You know what I mean? Like if nobody's gonna do that, then I would just do it all myself. But for now, I'm gonna be doing the builder thing. Yeah. Like I'm not in the business of like talking to somebody and like, oh yeah, I'll do the work done, and then like we're waiting weeks for a small list of stuff. Like no, I'm good on that. We're not doing that. Oh, Derp got a haircut? Derp got a haircut, bruh. Crazy. Crazy. He hasn't streamed in a few days and his life has completely changed. He's a completely different person. Is it just me or is your mic kind of low? Is it low? I don't think so, bro. I don't think it's that low, to be honest. Breaking news, Dirk got a haircut. Yeah, bro. Facts. Dude, I don't know why it wouldn't let me stream on both Twitch and YouTube, bro. Like, ever since I cut off the Twitch stream, it's like now... Weird. Maybe it's time for a haircut as well? No, I'm good. I'm gonna keep my hair like this for a bit. Alright, let's see what Leaf's doing now. Oh, it's fucking up again, bro. Here, of course. And I can't, like, do anything about it. It's poor. So I don't know if poor is doable, bro, but whatever. Serious issues that needs attention. Serious issues that need attention. How am I... What? I'm paying attention. You got my attention. What am I supposed to fucking do? That's crazy. Whatever, bro. There's nothing I can do about that, bro. Bro. Yeah, I might just hop off, bro. Like, if that's gonna be like that, I'm just gonna hop off and get this work done, bro. Like, I was just about to start programming, bro, and now it's just like poor quality stream, dude. I don't know, man. Is it bad for you guys? Is it like really bad? Now it's back up. It's just one of those days, bro. Can't do jack about it. Yo, what up, TJ? Yeah, the stream is like having a roller coaster right now of being shit and then back to normal, then being shit, and I don't know. So whatever. It's only buffered once? Has it? It's been like telling me that it's like bad this whole time. So I don't know, dude. I think YouTube's just shit. I think internet's shit. I know my Wi-Fi's shit, that's for sure. I'm using Spectrum, which is like the worst fucking Wi-Fi, and their routers are literally meant to give you the worst possible Wi-Fi ever. Alright, let's Let the Bob do the talking? What is that? That is crazy. What Wi-Fi speed you got? Fuck if I know, bro. It's like 1,000, like a gigabyte. Wow, that's actually crazy, X. Yeah, I don't know. Is it better? Is the camera better here or in the left corner, bro? I feel like it's just better here because you can see the full code. I only have one monitor, bro. Left? Alright. Where were we? Okay, this is a lot of work. This is gonna be a lot of work, low-key. It's just gonna be annoying and tedious and a lot of tinkering, I feel like. This whole ball movement is set up on the client, and there's just a lot going on. And I don't know why I'm doing this, honestly. This right here, I don't know why I'm doing this. Because I think stepped events don't work asynchronously. I think they work in order of when they're created. Invest in another monitor. Yeah, maybe, bro. 25% is kind of crazy though, X. If your shit goes up by 25% just because you have an extra monitor, I don't know, bro. What are y'all talking about, dude? Is it obstructing everything important, bro? What's it obstructing that's important? This doesn't look expired as the other one did? Wow. Wow, SK. That's actually crazy. It's not obstructing much. You know what? We're gonna keep it here, chat. We're gonna keep it here, chat. We're gonna keep it here, chat. I gotta get this. Alright. I need to bring this down. This is like too loud, the fucking music. I can't really bring it down much further though. Turn down my volume. Bro, I can see everything he is working on. There's like 5 files below the current ones we can't see. It's better now that it's smaller. You still trying to fix the hitbox issue? Well, Zuri, the hitbox issue we did resolve. It's just that it's now we moved it from it being it happening every single goddamn time to it then being an edge case that happens, and then once it happens, it obviously like fully breaks. But yeah, we're not gonna fix the issue. I mean, we are fixing the issue, but here's how we're doing it, right? We're just gonna move the ball movement onto the server. That's what we're doing. So my movement class, let's see what that is. Let's see what this is, bro. A bunch of unnecessary stuff, I feel like. Set target. How do I want to do this? The thing is, bro, is I don't like any of this code. Hitbox server 2, hee. I don't even have a hitbox. I'm not even using a hitbox. So, yeah, just saying. I don't even use a hitbox, and what I'm gonna be doing probably is using distance. Is just using a distance check. That's probably what I'm going to be doing, is a distance check between the target. And that's honestly like probably more efficient than raycast. Yeah, that would be smarter in the long term. Yeah. Yeah, magnitude. Yeah, that's most likely what I'm going to be doing, RZ, now that I'm moving it to the server. There were issues with that when I had, like, I remember trying that on the client, and I had some issues, but now that we're moving to the server, should be fine. Like, I don't even do anything with this movement part right here. As you can, I don't know if you guys can see that. What is this actually doing? Hold on, bruh. Am I actually using that at all? Because I remember trying to set up a server situation before. I had issues with it. I just wasn't, like... I don't know what... I don't really remember what happened, but... This doesn't move at all in-game, though. Like, let's look at this. This doesn't move at all in-game. We should just run a quick test real quick. It would also deal with any issues relating to cheaters. Yeah. I personally don't care too much about cheaters when I make a game. That's just me, though. I never, like, go into, how can I prevent exploiting? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I do certain stuff, like, quick shit about it. You know what I mean? Like, I have, like, you wouldn't be able to cheat in this game just because the ball is client-sided. I do actually have validation going on. It just has nothing to do with this server part. But I want to see this server part move. Because I don't think I'm moving this server part at all. So we're just going to hover over it. Yeah, because oh my god, bro, no. I didn't see it move at all, bro, but I can't even see anything. It's so hard to see. Freaking hate two-player testing. Alright, let's actually pay attention this time. I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, so it just stays there. Am I goated? Am I goated, Daryl? That's how you know you're good at Sumo Ball, if you can fucking play with yourself, dude. Alright. Okay, so... yeah, we're not doing anything with this. So what I want to do is... I'm not calling handle movement, that's why. So, like, I have handle movement commented out. Main movement, hit registered. What is this? What is this for? Handle movement. This doesn't even, I don't even remember, like, what I was doing here. If, what is this, bro? We're just gonna start hacking shit, bro. Fucking have no idea what's going on with some of this stuff. I don't know what these points are, bro. This code is honestly terrible. I can't even remember what the points are. And I didn't make them variables. Oh, right here. What the hell are these? Am I using that at all? Am I even using those? Let me see what this is, bro. I'm not even using the points. Hold on, bro. Hold on. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm not using these points. All right. So this was, I think, when I was doing like, yo, what up, Shicey? We on Sumo Ball? Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. This is all right. Give me a second, RZ. This is I was using Beziers for the curves, and then I realized you can't use Bezier for the curves because Beziers are not supposed to work with moving endpoints and moving points and stuff, and it doesn't look natural. It looks, you know, weird as fuck. So you can't use Beziers in a situation like this. So I never ended up getting rid of this code, which I should have. I should have got rid of this for 100%. Like, this is stupid as fuck. But yeah, let me just copy the rest of this shit, and yeah. I don't know what this is for. This isn't even, I'm not even using this anymore, actually, because if you see, I don't even have the raycast on, so that's crazy. And then this raycast, I don't even know what this is, bro. Is this the hit detection? Is this the hit detection? Sumo Ball, bro. Sumo Ball. We're working on the movement. So I'm moving the movement from client to server. Hey, sup? How you feeling? I'm feeling alright, bro. What up, bro? What up, Rain? Yeah, I'll check Discord in a second though. I just need to get through this logic while I'm on a roll right now. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, bro. I don't know what this raycast is for. I really don't. Truly. Like, what? Like, I should have wrote myself fucking notes or something, bro. This is absolutely insane. In Crockley Pot, Jesus. Alright, let me start. Did I copy this over? I don't think I did copy this over. And I don't need, we're not going to do any parameters right now. We're not going to do any raycasting right now. We're just going to try to get, first things first, we're going to try to get the movement over. And now that we have our speed, I think it's private.speed in our class. Yeah, it's private.speed in our class. So it's private.speed. Get rid of this line. This is not good. Do we have last position? Is that a thing in our class yet? Okay, we have last position. Last position. Uh, current target. Do we have current target in our class? We do. Current target position. And then we have our movement part. Okay. So we're just gonna get this. Pooh Shiesty, that's my dog. So what we're doing, commenting all core functions is considered a best practice in coding. It will always save you in the long term. I disagree with that. I think I do need to be more consistent on commenting certain things, but if you have to comment everything, like all the cores, then you're not writing clean enough code as is. Like, I shouldn't have to comment I shouldn't have to comment a lot of stuff just because I'm able to read it. Like variable names. If I read a variable name, do I instantly understand what's going on and what that means? If I read the name of a function, am I able to know what that function does, exactly what that function does and what it pertains to immediately just off of me reading it? It's stuff like that, right? If you're, do I have boost in here? Boost. I don't have boost. What does boost do? See, I don't even know what the fuck boost does, bro. Alright, well, let's just finish this. But yeah. You shouldn't be at a point in your code where you're needing to comment everything, bro. You know what I mean? Even if it's just the core stuff. Like all core functions, that's just not, you know what I mean? You should be able to read the function name and see what it does. If there's something maybe, and then if there's something very specific that isn't in the title and doesn't make sense to put it in the title, then you would write a comment, right? But yeah, for the most part, you want to have clean code and you want to be able to understand what you're writing in your code. All of this I wrote like a year and a half ago though, and it was hacking together. There was very, very little organization. It was really just me throwing shit together. I did not care about the organization of this at all. Okay, so offset mule. Do we have a offset mule thing? No, we don't. So some of these I just don't even have on the server, these values. I'm gonna have to create. And then what is look vector, bro? Like look vector of what? That's for an example. Like for look vector, right? All it says is fucking look vector. Like of what though? Like of what? You know what I mean? Like that's important for me to know. Like what is it? What's what? And then it's vector unit. So it's so the look vector is, this is where the character's looking. That's what it is. So now that, because I just remember off of this, but let's say I didn't remember, then this would like, I'd have to go search for what this is. I'd have to go to where I'm calling, like where I'm calling the signal for this, and I'd have to look at exactly what I'm passing in. But I just remember that that's what it was for. I mean, this is just so bad, bro. I feel like I should just start from scratch with this, honestly. And just take the math instead of like copying and pasting over my stuff. But it really might not be that deep. But I'm gonna have to create all of these. And I don't like doing it this way, and I wish I didn't make this shitty class, because this to me is a really poorly put together class. Like, I would never make a class this, like, poor, I guess you could say. It's very, there's like a lot in it that just is not needed, I feel like. Now what is this? If not private dot current target. See, I'm already like, what is this, bro? New position. So this doesn't even get called, I don't think. Just create some space so I can focus on just the movement part. And I don't want... So what I think I did, bro, was this right here was made before, for really testing, and it was before I had everything on the client. And so this might not even be used at all. Like, we'll see here. It's just a gigantic mess, honestly. And now I want to see how my speed has changed real quick on the... I want to see how my speed has changed real quick. New speed. Really? Speed equals new speed. Alright. Bro, Guardian shut down. Alright. What is this? Just a bunch of fucking shitty shit, dude. So I am changing the speed here. So the speed does get changed from this class. Okay. And the target gets changed from the class too. So the client is just registering the hits and then controlling the movement. Everything else the server's already doing. All right. That's a bit helpful. That's a bit helpful, bro. What the hell? No idea, bro. You might be early on in the stream. All right. I almost want to redo this entire class from scratch and just kind of like, yeah. But I don't know if it's that deep. I don't think it is that serious, bro, but it's just like, it's for the best. Yeah, but it would be time consuming, and I really could just like throw in the what's needed and it would be fine. And it's not that many lines of code. I'm probably just being really dramatic. This where version control is the best. You could have rolled back prior. A rollback wouldn't have helped in this situation, bro. Like, I never had this working on the server. I never had the movement working on the server to begin with. I only had it working and perfected it on the client. So a rollback would not have helped. Yeah. I'm losing track of what I'm doing. Distance between target. Current target position. Okay. This is what I need to set to change the target, okay? Where's my change target? Do I have a let me check to see if I have a method. I have set blocked method, set hit box. I don't think I'm using that. I think I took that out. I think that was like old, like way before I got this in a playable state, the set hitbox function, when I thought I was going to be using hitboxes and I ended up not using hitboxes. What am I looking for here? Set target. Okay. This is it right here. This is it. I was like, bruh, what is happening right now? This is what's called to render all of the movements. Yes, that's what I needed, bro. Holy fucking shit. This should be easy then. This should be easy then. Or not easy, but simple. It should be simple enough to get this done fairly quickly. Now that I know that, let me go back to my handle movement, okay? So now that I know that, I can use all of these. These variables should work then. Now that I know that all these variables should work. Now, I do need to create with curve. I do need to create an offset mall variable. That only exists on the client. So we're going to create that right now. Let me see what I'm doing for that. Even though I copied it over, I want to just see what it looks like on the client. It's a lot better. If with curve. Okay, offset power. Offset mall. All right, so offset mall is a number between 0 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to have and I should separate these, and I should put this up here or somewhere up there. All right. 0, and now the look vector is what we need now too. And let me see what this is. Let me see this. Oh, boom, right here. We have our look vector. Now all we have to do is say private dot look vector. And now we can also set this up here as well. Equals vector 3.0. Boom, there you go, boom. All right, now this, maybe salvage some of it and redo the rest. It's like whatever, Austin. This is the fastest way. Like you see now, like that I'm looking through stuff and I'm able to find, and I found what I was looking for, that we're able to kind of go in and quickly make those adjustments that we need to get it working, right? So there's just no need to do a refactor or like a redo. It's just really not. Bad code is bad code. It works, it works, you know what I mean? Like sometimes it's really what's best for sake of time at this point. And this is what's best for sake of time. You know what I mean? Like I don't got time to redo this whole thing. The game is ready. It's playable, like you've played it. As soon as this is done, those little bugs where it stops detecting should be fixed. You know what I mean? So once the game has players, and the game is in a playable state, and we've got the game all decked out with good progression system and a good monetizations going and all this other stuff, right? Now, then we can focus on, okay, if we want to tidy things up, redo some of the code, make it clean, right, for the long term, then that's cool. But as of right now, the game's making no money. There's no point. There's just no point to spend that extra time on it. This guy understands. This guy understands scope creep. What does that mean? What does that mean? But yeah, let me see. You mean like bigger picture? Scope of work, yeah. Are you talking about I do or Austin does? Current. Private dot. Okay. So this, I'm just gonna put right there like that. We don't need that because this was something before, so we're not using this little thing. I'm gonna delete this after once we get it working. I'm just gonna, you know what I mean? Like current equals, what's current? If current does not equal, I don't know why I did this. See, this is just one of those things where this could not matter. Let's give it a playtest, bro. Let's just give it a playtest. See what's up. I gotta connect to Rojo. He means you're not letting your scope get too big. You know your objective. Got you. You do. Sometimes you just gotta get stuff done. Not everything can be perfect now. Yeah, exactly. I agree with that. Alright, so we're gonna connect and then we're gonna run a test and see if we at least got the ball moving. I wouldn't be surprised if I got some errors too. We'll see. We'll see what happens. There could have been a lot I missed. There was just so much weird code to go through. Yeah, like this game really started out as a big fucking prototype. And I just kept prototyping and prototyping and prototyping, and before you know it, I had a playable version of the game. And then I just, you know, then I made the maps, the UI, and then that was it, right? Alright. So I understand now where that's coming from. Let's see if our ball is moving though, our server ball. Let's see if our server ball is moving real quick. Where's our server ball at, dude? Alright. Something's wrong here. Our server ball disappeared, which means it probably got destroyed. What is this? Couldn't connect. Oh, this is from before. Malachi is a real one. Hell yeah, bro. Heard you liked Heroes of Battle. Yeah, bro. Malachi and Grant put me on. Malachi and Grant put me on. Yeah, Heroes of Battle is good, bro. Did you play it? I think Heroes of Battle is good. I think, though, that it needs to be easier to play. I think it needs to be easier to play somehow. I think the decks are good. I don't think the the pack opening is necessary, but I also don't think that's a game killer, so it's like whatever. The gameplay is really good though. The gameplay is really good and fun, but it's it's a little bit like if you have the meta, you're the other player's never going to be able to win ever, and it doesn't matter how smart they are. Like they'll just never be able to win. Like there's definitely a balancing issue, I think. But yeah. What I just was sidetracked. I think we're not doing the position right, so I need to go and see how I'm doing it. So I return position here. So new position is, did I not add this part in yet? I don't think I did. Let's look where we're at. All right, we are down here. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Uh, this is our fuck up. This is our fuck up right here. I think so. I think it is. We're adding it again, and we don't need to do that. We've already got our new position. Let me see. All right, so we return the new position, and then in this, we're just saying it equals the new position. Okay. So this right here is not, this is what we need. Okay. Now let's test it and see if it's working, bro. At least I think we've got something going because our server part disappeared. So it tried doing something. Tried doing something. Um, but yeah. I had an idea for a similar game, but I don't think, but it was just a little, it was just a random idea I had. I don't think it would do, I don't think it would be good. But I'm still like brainstorming on an idea that's similar. Basically just an easier way. Okay, wait, I need to, fuck. Okay, our server part is still in, so we're good, we're cooking. All right, where's our server part now? Where's our server part now, bro? I don't see it. It might be gone forever. I don't think it's on the board. It's definitely not on the board. Fuck. Oh, it's, there it was. There it was. Hey, so our server part is now moving. Our server part's now moving. All right. Well, that's good, right? It's on your screen, your right screen. What? I think we just saw it though, right? What is this? All right. Yeah, it was following the client ball. Yeah, but not exactly. It was like off, and I think that's because it's not getting reset as the client ball is. So what we're gonna do is, oh, it should actually, wait. I'm tripping. It is getting reset. I'm just gonna say equals nil. It's just like sometimes I don't know, bro. Like I usually always use not, but sometimes I think it's just better reading wise to quickly be able to read like okay nil because sometimes not is false and nil, and it's just like I want to know if I'm, you know what I mean? I want to know that if it's either false or nil that I'm going over. That's just me personally. All right. So, anyways, let's see. So that should be working. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off. We're gonna turn off the. We're gonna just yeah. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this off completely. And what all we're gonna do is right here, right here. All we're gonna do is say new position equals um workspace. What is our, what did we name that shit? What did we name that, bro? Movement part, server movement part. Hey, at least I named it something good, you know what I mean? Like, sheesh. And then that's what we're gonna do right here. So so now this should cut off. It should now, even though, yeah, it should now only be going where the server part is going, all right? Now let's see what happens. I think that's right. I think that's right. All right. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. We got a good view. Oh, and it fucked up. So wait, what's it doing? What is this? Oh. Alright, where's our server part? Where's our server part at though? It's like nowhere to be found. No? Am I tripping, bro? Like, where is it even at? Where is it even at, bro? Am I dead ass tripping? What the hell? Why can't I see it? Is it because of the highlight that I can't see it? It's literally on there. Bro, I don't fucking know. Oh, it's this screen. I keep getting the screens mixed up. Bro. What am I doing? I keep like clicking over here and I'm thinking it's over here, bro. All right, so it's at least staying on our shit. That's good. But see, look, this is not good. This is not good right here. It's not moving, so we need to figure out why that is. Why is it not restarting? We have it going to the starting position, bro. Let me look and see if I'm manipulating the starting position in a weird way. Starting position? Yeah, no. So this is fine. Okay. So what? I don't think. I mean, this should work because this is what the client gets. If this didn't work, then the client would never be working. And this is so yeah, like I don't understand. I don't know what is happening, to be honest. We don't need this. See, this is like, okay, back what I was saying earlier, like I remember like a year and a half ago, I was literally just hacking shit together, and as you can see, I wrote comments for damn near everything because nothing really like you can't. It's unreadable code, right? And that's kind of like what I was kind of saying, right? If I had written this better variables, uh, just a lot more clean, I wouldn't have needed these as many comments as I have. But these aren't even really like. I mean, these are kind of helpful, but not really. It's like whatever. What is this? Oh, I just commented that out. Okay. Okay. I don't understand what the current's for. Like, what is this current variable for? This shit makes no fucking sense at all. I think I'm just gonna get rid of that. I don't understand what that's for. And then this doesn't make any sense to me. Implicitly return function can implicitly return what? What are we talking about? I don't understand what this type's for, bro. Why are you working on a new game? I'm working on a game that's it's not really new, bro. It's been out for over a year and a half. Does the server part know when to reset to the starting point? It should, because look, it's saying if private.current target is nil, then go back to the starting position. So it should. I don't know what this line is saying though. I don't know why it's saying this though. Function can implicitly return no values even though there's an explicit return at line 243. What are we talking about here? 243? What's if private.current.position magnitude movement hit registered. I see. I get it now, bro. I get it. Oh my god. I get it. I fucking it's just guys, it's just shitty code. It's just the fucking worst code I've ever written in my life. Dude. It's so bad, bro. It's so fucking bad. Holy crap, dude. Holy shit. I can at least say now, like, I wouldn't prototype this poorly. Holy shit. I wouldn't, like, throw shit together this bad. There's no need to be this freaking bad, bro. On movement hit registered. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. This is what's wrong. This is what's wrong. So this is I get it. I get it now. I get it now. I get it now. I get it. I get it now. Let's turn off our client hit registration as well, just to be on the safe side. So we didn't have our server. Basically, we didn't have the logic that says change this. And now I'm also going to have to change something else as well on hitbox. On hitbox, what? Update hitbox ID? Oh, okay. I don't even think I'm using. You know what's crazy is like one of the things I also did that was really bad is I didn't delete stuff I wasn't using. I was doing so much hacking together, right? I would hack something together, test it, hack something together, test it. And anything I like left, I just didn't clean up. So there's a lot of stuff in here that's just it's not even being used. It's pretty fucking stupid. But yeah, this game Beanie is like actually almost 2 years old. So it's not a new game. What was I gonna do though? I was gonna put it in the comments. It's in the description too if you guys want to play it. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, kill. Kill. Oh, kills. Kills. Oh. Alright. Yeah, it's playable if you guys want to play it. You know, this isn't even working, bro. Like, freaking cams, dude. They're not even working, bro. Busted ass stream. Bootlegged ass stream. Not chat, though. Chat's great. Chat's always great, you know? Ah. All right. I don't know if I'm talking about the same thing, but humanoids don't replicate if they're in the camera. Huh? Huh? Humanoids don't replicate in the camera. All right. What else do I need to do, bro? I forgot. I'm losing train of thought here, guys. Yo, what up, Salmon? What's good, brother? My brethren. Um, I'm losing train of thought. I thought the views were gonna go down because I I did Blade Ball instead of Grow a Garden, but the views are actually like roughly the same that they usually are, which I think is cool. But yeah, and then this way we won't have any like Grow a Garden nerds hopping on asking for free stuff because they know I'm fucking Jandel. You know what I mean? I got false reviewed on Rodevs now. I can get. Wait, what? You got false reviewed on Rodev? Okay. First of all, Salmon, what the fuck are you doing in Rodevs, dude? Get the fuck out of there, bud. Okay? What are you doing in that shitty ass server, man? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Exit. You know where the leave server button is, bud. How people with scam log can still review where I can get hired. What's better than Rodevs? It's called fucking any other Discord server that exists, bro. Um holy freaking crap. Holy freaking crap, dude. Yeah, no, Rodevs is dog. Rodevs is dog. Hidden Devs is dog. Roblox developers is super dog. There's some weird people in the Roblox developers Discord. Weird as fuck, okay? I joined a Roblox devs Discord one time. I joined a VC to chill out, right? Next thing you know, this guy and girl are talking about weird. They're talking about ESEX, bro. That shit was weird and cringe. Why are we talking about that in the developer Discord? Like, are we making games? Are we making games? Oh, what are we doing here? What are we doing here, dude? Okay, so that was fucking weird. Left that. I joined again to like I think a few months later to just see what people are working on. You know what I'm saying? There was some cool people in there at some point. Next thing you know, this dude in there, grown ass man, getting drunk, talking about roasting all these people in the freaking court. I'm like, bro, what is? I'm telling you, straight up weirdos, bro. What's wrong with Rodevs? I got 30K Robux from it in a week. Jesus Christ, dude. You could go outside right now, knock on 2 doors, and get paid twice as much to mow somebody's lawn. Hour, 2 hours worth of work. You tell me what's wrong with that. Stop, get out, get out of the freaking cord, man. Get out of the freaking cord, dude. Go outside, dude. All right. Are we making games or what are we doing? My mic is lower. Why am I crashing now? Am I crashing out, chat? Am I actually crashing out? Ah! Nobody's crashing out, dude. Time to lay off the heated up water. That's funny as fuck. Roblox Talent Hub. Dude, look, I always tell people, bro. I always tell people, stop fucking freelancing in this in this very specific niche, bro. Okay? The people that are telling you to do that are lying. They're not being honest about what it's actually like to freelancing here, bruh. Now, I actually have found work. I've made about roughly on total a little bit over 4,000 off Talent Hub. But that's in the span of how many months and how much of my time. And at the end of that, I'm getting paid a dollar or less than $1 an hour. And that's the whole point, right? Don't focus on freelancing in this fucking ridiculous ass developer space. All right, don't make your own. Only thing I can say is if you want to get paid, maybe seek out companies and try to, if you get lucky and they hire you, cool, right? Other than that, make your own games. Never freelance, ever, ever, never. Not in this. Not this is not the industry to be doing that in. All right, it's really not. Unless you're a modeler, I will say that modelers can make a lot in this space, which is weird, right? You would think that that's weird. Why a modeler and not a programmer, right? But it's just that's how it is in this space. This space is too. It doesn't have the professionalism and the maturity enough for a programmer to be successful in it. Whereas a modeler, people are able to visually see if a modeler is good or not, and so they're like, all right, I choose you, blah blah blah. Um, that also being said, it takes a lot longer to program something than it does to model something. And so there's all that stuff that goes into it, right? Yeah, but here's the thing, Austin, right? How many big devs are there out of everybody? Out of every single person, how many big devs are there? And that's the thing about it, right? Vero, that's an interesting take. Like yes, influencer marketing is a thing. I would never do it in this space. I think this space is weird for it. I think the influencers in this space are weird, and every time I talk to like almost every time, they're just influencers are weird in this space, bro. And so they're gonna be weird, and you know, yeah, I would take Roblox ads over content creators any day of the week because you just save yourself the weird behavior, coming in contact with the weird behavior, bro. And that's really what it's all about. You know what I mean? Roblox ads aren't even on your target demographic. Well, it depends on what your game is for, okay? So I think this is interesting. I think this is an interesting topic, okay? Because people I feel like get kind of they just kind of miss the ball with this one. So like yes, the people a lot of most of the people on the ads, and this is actually something interesting. I have a little bit of a conspiracy theory about this. I think some of it might be bots, which if it is, that's illegal. Roblox can't do that. I wouldn't be surprised though. They're very shady. Roblox is actually a very shady, weird company. I mean, have you seen their fucking CEO? He's a weirdo, bro. So like, yeah. But anyways, um, like I will say this. So like, if your game is hard to play, don't use Roblox ads. If your game is easy to play and it's also very fun and engaging, and the second somebody joins, they can get immersed into the game loop, Roblox ads is for you. So it's a very interesting thing. It's really sad how big server like Ro Devs where all people goes to get hired or do you bro, it's do you are we talking about Ro Devs? Is that the fucking is that the dude that owns the server freaking what's his name, bro? Like what's his name? I literally don't know his name. The Dev King. Is that the guy? Is that the guy, bro? Like how is this guy dude hasn't uploaded in 11 months. Yeah, bro, what did you think? What did you expect? He makes shitty and cringe like scripting tutorials and scripting videos. What you expect? Like he's definitely not gonna have a server with like mostly adults, bro. So what do you expect? What do you expect out of that? When you get a situation where most of the people in a server are literal fucking kids. How are you going to expect to have a professional or a mature enough situation where you're able to find work in that? It's just not even, it's not even a thing. It's not going to happen. Atrocious. There is favoritism and biases in the staff team. I don't know about that, but it's all, to me it's all weirdos, bro. Like I don't know. To me it's all either kids or they're weird. And that's, I try to stay away from all that, bro. They only boost certain people in commissions. They will delete. Just stop. Just bro. Guys. Stop going in these servers. Yeah. That's all I can say, dude. Stop going in these weird servers, bro. These hidden devs, these freaking road devs, these freaking roblox fucking shits, dude. Stop going in them shits. Is retarded. That's actually crazy. Yeah, see, like, I just don't know, bro. I will never like try to ever freelance again in this space, and I'll also never try to really make an effort hiring somebody in this space. People are just too weird in this space, and that's really the general energy. That's the general behavior. It's just weird behavior. So, you know what I mean? Um, handle distance checking, handle acceleration. Handle acceleration. What is that? What is that? What is that? Handle acceleration. Why is that a thing, bruh? Interesting. Is that I think I need to have this added in if you're gonna do freelance, the route to take is make your own commission server and advertise your work on Twitter and YouTube. Right. I mean, yeah, like that's okay if you want to do that. I still think that you're wasting your time, to be honest. Because the likelihood, the opportunity that's out there is very low, right? Um, yeah. Like I guarantee if I were to post a video right now, right? Yo, what's up, Spooky? If I were to post a video right now, right? And and say like, "Hey, I'm looking for work," right? I guarantee you with the following, even with the following I have, nothing professional or something worth my time will be presented to me. I almost guarantee you, bro. For TS game, try and patch it. I'm gonna low-key make a script for TS game. I don't know what you mean, Z1. If you model, you have so many opportunities served to you on a silver platter. And that's what it is in this space because it's visual, right? People are able to visually see what's going on. So that's just what it is. I think we're at a point where we can test again. I don't know if we can test again, bro. I really have no idea. Let's just try testing again. I can't remember what I was doing. I got sidetracked talking to you guys. It means he is gonna exploit. If you model, wait, I don't know. I think exploiting is cringe, to be honest. Like, you really got nothing else to do other than to exploit in video games. Let's see here. Oh, what the fuck was that? Yo. What was that, bro? Well, it's kind of working though now. I think we're not we're not setting the new target. I don't think we need to. Yeah, I don't. Fuck. This is so weird. I understand, dude. This is where it's like, damn, this is time consuming. Yo, what up, Builder Beast? What up, bro? How good is the game's anti-cheat? What are you talking about? This game? You can't cheat in this game right now. Even with the client stuff, you couldn't cheat in this game if you wanted to. How do devs patch exploits? I mean, you can't patch them all. You can't patch them all, but you can patch a lot of them. It just, I never really focus on that though. But for example, you ban them, RZ, like plain and simple. You can't, it's impossible to patch every single exploit. Like with FPSs, how are you gonna patch walls? You can never patch walls. You can genuinely never patch walls. A patch for walls can never be fixed. There's no patches for that. The only thing is to ban people. Okay, Cam. I'm gonna just Jesus Christ. People are fucking insane. Holy shit. What a fucking weirdo. Alright. The best way to counter cheats is to have server validation for everything from movement to currency. Don't let the client manage anything. Well, here's the thing, Zerai. This, as you see, I'm working on this Sumo Ball game, right? And I'm moving the ball movement from the client to the server. If I were to keep it on the client, they're still not able to exploit. They're still not able to get away with trying to exploit the movement somehow, right? Um, but here's the thing, Z1, you can trust the client. You can trust the client because here's what you do, right? In a game like this, all you do is you have a remote event sending hits from the client. If you're handling hit detection from the client, you have a remote event sending that info to the server. The server then validates it. How does the server validate it if the client is rendering the hit registration? So what you do is you say, hey, if 50% of the players have also registered this hit, we're going to say that that hit's true. So you can trust the client, right? In that case, you can trust the client, and that's fine. It's stuff like that, right? So there's different ways to do things. There's not always like, oh, do everything on the server, blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? Like there's different ways to do stuff. But I don't think like what is look vector, dude? This is where I think I fucked up at. Where does this get called? Set target. Where does this set target get called? Set target. This is terrible. I don't even know if this is a real thing. If this is actually doing anything, but this is terrible. That's what it is. All right. Here's where I think I fucked up. So on movement, hit registered. Dude, this is gonna take me a little bit of time, bro. This is ass. All right. Well, we know that like our speed for the most part is working. Um, so that's good, I guess. Why this is like this, I don't know. What the fuck is actual speed? Let's just do this. Let's just do this and see what happens for now. Okay? For now. Let's just see what happens. Actually, I'm gonna comment this out. But I genuinely don't know. Let me see real quick. Then set target. Where do I get average C frame? Average position? Fuck me, dude. What did I do here? So this is where. Okay. All right. Get camera C frame. Is my C frame. Average position. I don't know what average position is. I don't know what that is. I don't even know if I'm using that still. Am I using that? I don't even think that I'm using that. Yeah, I don't remember if I'm using that or not. I don't think I am. It's supposed to target though. It's supposed to target. So I think it's where it's on block, on the block situation. Jesus, this is so bad. Yo, what up, Angel? Am I cooking? I think so. I think so. It's just taking forever. 'Cause you're a mod. I don't remember. Fuck no. You don't have to do anything. I really couldn't. I really don't care about that shit. But yeah, hell fucking not, hell fucking not, dude. Wait. Ball position, closest to target, block. Where's the block at? Where's the block at? If is blocked. Fuck, dude. Where's the block at? Where's the block function at, bro? I need to see that. Block as target. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? No. This isn't handling the block. What the fuck? Where did I put the block at? Is it in the movement? It might actually be in the movement, bruh. Block. Okay. That's stupid. Oh my god, are you serious? Alright, block. Block as target. Block as target. Get current target. Set blocked. Alright. Boom! Boom! That's what I needed, bruh. Alright, so I can get rid of... Oh, fuck. I just fucked up. Set blocked. Camera C frame. Private.camera C frame. So I should really put this in here. I don't even remember, bro. Honestly. If I'm keeping it a buck. Because Angel is a real one. Probably. I don't know, but I usually mod people that if they say something that surprises me or something. Um so yeah. Don't know, bro. All right. Camera C frame. Now I need to say, wait, oh shit, look back there. Wow, man. Hold on, bro. What? Private dot look vector. This is what I needed, bro. I don't even need to do this, bro. Okay, dot look vector dot unit. Jesus Christ. This code is so terrible. I don't know, bro. Why you look so tired? Because I just be getting shitty sleep, bro. Does that mean I'm special? If you want it to mean that. This isn't Grow Garden. Nah, this is Sumo Ball. The game's in the link if you guys want to play it. The fireball ability is so overpowered. Yeah, it is. It really is. All right, bro. Peace out, bro. Oh, are you just saying that? Are you not leaving? That's kind of funny. Yeah, yeah, sleep is important, bro. Sleep is fucking important. For sure. Um, movement set, movement hit registered. God damn. Set blocking. Jesus Christ. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. Let's just play again, bro. See where we're at. We changed some stuff. You got red eyes. Yo, look at your left again. What? A girl behind me? Jesus Christ, you guys are crazy. All right, so it goes to one target once and then it does nothing else. Awesome. Awesome. Now, why is our other shit fucked up now, bruh? What the fucking shit? I think we just like cut out our fucking shit somehow. I mean, this doesn't even make any fucking sense. Oh, I see. Okay, but it hits one target once, and then that's all. It doesn't do shit else after that. All right. And we can't even block now. What the hell? Jesus Christ. We can't even block now, bruh. We can't even block now. What happened to guns? I quit guns a long time ago. Because look, guns is just very complicated. It's a very complicated game. It's not easy to play. Yeah, there's just no, it's not gonna be successful on Roblox, on a place like Roblox. So we left guns quite a minute ago, bro. I'm gonna get this coffee warmed up. I agree. I agree, bro. All right. Well, this guy on your game just shat on me. I believe it. Yeah, there's some tryhards, bro, on Sumo Ball. There's some tryhards, man. Better than me. I kind of suck at sumo, I ain't gonna lie. Never, Z1. Never in my life will I ever do that. Ever. Obfuscation is so unnecessary. People who do that on Roblox are actual goofballs because you're a goofball if you do that. A literal goofball. There's too many sweats in game dev. What is obfuscation? Obfuscation is where you basically make your scripts on you take your script and you obfuscate it, meaning you take all the letters and the words in the script and you make them completely different and you just like it's like turning this whole script into one line of nonsense, but it still works. It still works. So it's impossible to read and know what's happening, but it still works. So like that way, if you did that, a client wouldn't be able to really know how to do anything with your code at that point, and so there couldn't be any room for exploitation in certain areas, right? So it's just very goofy. You don't need to do that. I think it can make sense if your game is huge. Never, Austin. Obfuscation is never going to make sense ever, ever, ever. Obfuscation will never, ever make sense. Ever. Not unless you have something crazy and you're working for NASA or you're like working for some type of organization, secret organization, right? But in game dev, it's never, ever going to make sense. And every single time you are a goofball. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. All right, so why? I'm just kind of confused here because why? I just don't know, bruh. I just don't know anymore. Only reason you might need to obfuscate is if you're afraid of people having access to your code. But it's like, what's the point though? You know what I mean? Like you're a goofball. If you're afraid of that in game dev, you're a goofball. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck. How do you feel after knowing AI is gonna take your job? I doubt we're even close to that, to be honest, if I'm keeping it a buck. Yeah, I agree with Angel. Yeah, maybe not in our lifetime. Maybe. But in our lifetime, highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. But I think by the time if AI were to take all of our jobs, it would also be cooking up a way to get rid of us. You know what I mean? I think it'd be cooking up some other shit. And by then it's like world end type shit, you know what I mean? Why is it like I just don't understand what I did to fuck this up. Let me see. Okay, so I have the server. All I need to do is look at this function. This all I need to do is look at the function that handles the hit register. Where's that function at? Uh fucking shit, dude. This code is so shit. There it is. Here it is right here. All right, I need to look at this real quick. Current target, ball position. I don't know why I would need that ever. That's kind of just dumb. I'm not even using it. Like a lot of this shit is just not even being used. All right. This is because it's client. I don't need that. Target player dot force. Um, if is blocked. Movement, get cameras, see frame. Play slash target. Okay, so I need to move this code. This code I need to move. I need to move all of this. If is blocked. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Just. Okay. Because, like, since I'm now doing it here, I could just do it all in the fucking movement here, bruh. I don't need to go to another script. Handle movement right here. It can all be right here. All of it. So this is what I'm doing, right? So, all right, let's see here. Let's just actually, we'll just do this. We'll do it right there. Let's fuck it. Let's just do it right here. We'll handle it here. We'll let it, we'll let us do whatever we're doing here. Ooh, force 1,000. What? Knockback direction. Knockback player. This should be working though, dude. This should dead ass be working. I'm actually genuinely confuzzled right now. Oh, we don't have a blocked situation in this, bro. We don't have a blocked situation in that. We just dead don't. And I get it now. I get it now. Okay. That's why. So we did need to move this here. We did need to move this here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then this is all in here. Okay, cool. We don't need that. We don't need that. We have all of this right here. So we can get rid of that. We can get rid of this. I don't know what this clash count is doing or what it's for. I don't really like that. And I am gonna change my knockback direction eventually. Acting in some specific and personal behavior that the audience is able to follow. If we can't express that, then there's a problem. So what we're going to do right now is feedback outside of your heads. People connect with reacting, right? Reacting to I need Malachi's response in the server before I proceed. Why? Why, RZ? He's sleeping right now, I think. Probably. Should I figure out a way to make it modular or just create a separate combat function for the NPCs? It's only going to be block and dash. Like, what do you mean, a separate combat function? I used to cheat in Pet Sim X. Jesus Christ. Get a life. Get a life, Ricio. Ricio is a noob. She isn't mod. And you're gonna go poo? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. 90% of all cheats have find some type of malware. This is coming from someone that dealt with cheat development. What? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I don't know. I don't use cheats, so I thought about making cheats though for Rainbow Six Siege. If I made cheats for Rainbow Six Siege, I'd probably be rich as fuck. And honestly, everybody in Rainbow, like most people that play Rainbow Six Siege, are fucking lame as shit. So I really wouldn't care at all. Used to create cheats too. Bro, but I'd do it. If I did it, I'd do it right. I'd fucking stream it on TikTok. I'd stream it on TikTok. And I would have a Discord where you paid like maybe $5 to $10 for them. and boom, maybe I'd even, and then if I did really well with that, I might even upcharge. You know what I'm saying? Or I'd have like tiers. I wouldn't create them for Roblox. I'd create them for Rainbow Six Siege. But same way you would do it for any game, bro. That you can't get sued for that, Austin. You can't get sued for that. You can't get sued for that, and it's also not illegal. I've heard people say that it's illegal, and I'm just like, dude, you are goofy as fuck if you think cheating in a game or making cheats for a video game is illegal. It's not. And I don't know how they're gonna sue. They can't sue you. Like, good luck. Good luck, bro. Especially if you use an alias. Like, good luck, dude. Illegal to Roblox. Roblox is cringe, bro. They don't know what they're talking about. We can exploit on our games. Bruh. It's not that deep, though. You gotta stop caring about cheaters, bro. You gotta stop caring about cheaters. That's one thing you gotta do as a game dev. Stop caring about cheaters, dude. They don't. They're there. They're gonna be there. So I already wonder how cheating in Psycho no Sutoko gonna even work. Like, why would even cheat in a horror game? That's what I'm saying, bro. People cheat, bro. I don't know. It's weird. You can use the output to mimic cheaters. I think people spend way too much time caring about preventing cheats, bro. Especially on Roblox. Especially. It just doesn't matter. It really genuinely doesn't matter. All right. If is blocked, I need to see what is blocked now. Um, is blocked. There we go. These are the only two variables I need. All right. Knockback direction is the same thing right here. So sure, I will do that. It says save that. If SDK active skills, what is this? Active skills. Oh, like when you have a skill active, I think maybe. Fucking Jesus, I don't know what this is. Whatever, we're not gonna care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. All right, how am I getting the closest root part? On hit registered, closest root part. What is closest root part? So that is something that I might have to get. I'm gonna have to take that from my movement client script. Get closest root part. Okay. Group players. Group players. Fuck. Group players. Group players. Group players. On update group players. Is this? It's in my movement, I think. I want to say it's in my movement class that I made. Group players. Group. All right, so now I just need to get group players. And I know that I made a function for this. Get group players. Get group players. Okay. Well, what the shit and shit? Oh, you gotta be fu- You gotta be fu- You gotta be fu- All right, closest root part is blocked. God damn, dude. It's like it's coming together, but it's so shitty. Oh. So I need to get the closest root part from the player. Current targets. Ah, Jesus. I don't even think I need this now. Register hit. Register hit. Ball position, current target, closest root part. Got you. Got you. Got you, bro. Where's current target? Wait, what? Get current target. All right. Current target equals main movement. Get current target. Let's double check to see if that's the right method. Get last target, get current target. There we go. Okay, so that's good, right? All right. And then we also have our is block. Yo, let's just see how this does, bro. Let's see what happens, dude. We're totally fucked here. We're totally fucked, dude. I still can't block. What happened to our block, bro? And now it's not even setting a fucking... Oh, we got an error. Server parts. This is a client error though. Why is it not doing anything on the server? Server movement part is not a valid member of workspace. Yes it is, bro. It's literally right here. Oh, this is not the right. Okay. I understand why this happened. But why is this not? Why is this happening? At this point, I don't know, bro. I'm thinking of just redoing it. I'm thinking of just redoing it. This is so shitty. Our block isn't even working, bro. Like, what the fuck is happening right now? Now our ball's also not even moving. This is why I left this project because I knew that for me to get it into a better state, it was gonna take like a bunch of work because it was so hacky. You might as well recode from the base up, dude. I'm saying, bro, this shit is ass. Shit is actually garbage. But it's just I'm not. I'm probably, but at the same time though, I'm probably just missing something, bro. I'm dead ass probably just missing something. Something just isn't hitting right. That's probably all it is. Like I'm just missing something. This is dog shit. I don't know what the fuck this is. Is this isn't this fucking current position minus, yeah, this is literally the distance. This is literally the distance, bruh. But I just moved this from the client, so like that's cool and all. All right. If distance between target is less than or equal to 6, we're gonna reset. Okay, cool. Now, why isn't it resetting at all? Uh, and then our block isn't working too, so that's kind of like, why the fuck did that break all of a sudden? So that's just fucking annoying. Because I don't think I touched the block at all. But, what is this? I can't remember too, like, where's the fucking reset, dude? Here, let me go to this real quick. Let me go to this real quick. This is in my match. All right, here we go, right here. Why isn't this working? Why is this not working? This just like stopped working for some reason. And then what the fuck is this? No, that's on kill player. Okay, hold on. My God. I'm gonna drive myself crazy looking at all this, bro. What the fucking shit? You fuck. You motherfucker. Motherfucker. God, where the fuck is God? It fucking damn it. Fucking damn it. Fucking son of a bitch. You fucking son of a damn it. It's the fucking game loop. It's the fucking handle game loop. I found it. Fuck, I found it. It's this right here, chat. Oh, fuck. Yo, what up, Noah? Alright. It's this right here, chat. It's this right here, chat. Are you guys still talking about fucking cheating, bro? Alright. What the freak? Why did... Who is that? Who's Urical? I don't know who that is, bro. Are you guys still playing it? Are you guys still playing that? Giant game developer. Is the game broken or not? It only says there's one active. Oh, okay. Got you. Yeah, it says there's one active, bro. That's not me. I'm not in the game. No, that's not how that works, RZ. You're in game? I got you. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool, Euro. Or whatever. It counts you as a player. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't, RZ. It dead doesn't. What is this? Request, like what? Updated property. What are we talking about? I promise you, RZ, it does not do that. You are bugging. And also, Yuri just said he was in the game. Like, sorry, not sorry, but you might be going schizo. Okay, let me go to this. Is it gonna work? It's not gonna work, is it? No, it's not. Fucking shit. Well, it's never happened to me, RZ. What am I trying to do with the movement? Move it to the server from the client, which is a lot harder than what it seems to be. Main movement, set target. This is right here. So this is what's not working, right? This is what's not working, you know, and but we're getting all the we're getting to this part right here, okay? But you know, the target isn't really being set. So let's go look at our set fucking function. All right. If not, like this just doesn't ever get set, dude, and I don't know why. I don't know why, bro. It didn't even print for us, did it? Oh, let's look at the... I keep forgetting it's a two-player test. We have to look at what the server's telling us. We can't... It doesn't just tell us in the local things. All right, fucking Jesus Christ, bro. I'm gonna lose my shit. 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 I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out. Now it's working! Shit! God! 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 Shit! Hit shit! God! 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 Fucking shit, dude. No, RZ. That's not what it is. It's not server, so it's not server hitboxes that's the problem. It's I really had the main problem is I had everything. I had the client controlling everything, right? And so now I'm in a point where I'm moving it over and the code base is really shit. The code base is really poopy. It's poopy doopy, okay? So I'm having to like work with really poorly put together code because I just threw everything together without really it was this game is a bunch of prototypes, dude, stacked on top of each other. Um and then we got here, you know what I mean? And I never fixed it. I never cleaned up the code or anything like that. So yeah. But it's not no, it's so the problem right now is it's not even it's erroring. It's erroring. It's erroring. All right. It says boost? What? What is this saying, bro? Private dot boost. Oh, that's right. I need to go check on the boost variable on the client because I don't have that on the server. So let's see what that is. Let's see what that is. All right. Boost. 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 What is our boost? Uh, boost private dot boost plus equals private dot boost. I can't remember what this boost is for. Boost equals 5. Speed plus equals boost. I don't remember if this is like an acceleration type deal with the ball movement, but let's add this boost variable in so it stops erroring at least. And then we can run the whole dang movement function. Okay. Now let's see where we're at. Now let's see where we're at. All right. Okay. I still can't block though. I don't know how the fuck our block broke, bro. Holy shit! Okay. Offset power. Private dot look vector unit. Attempt to perform arithmetic on number and nil. So our offset mule is our offset mule isn't nil. Full cam right now? Yeah. You want to see what's going on? Offset mule Mr. Croc, I have an interesting question. Well, this will be interesting. What's your question, my dog? So which one of these is it? Our offset mule can't be nil. That's always going to be a number. This, however, is nil. Would you like to try my game I have been scripting for? Not right now, bro. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll here, and if I get distracted, I'm gonna lose focus, and it's gonna cause me more pain and suffering down the line. So, but if you want to join the Discord, links in the description. You can post your game in the games channel, and I'll eventually play it. Okay. 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 I got it. Hold on. Boom! There we go. No, what are you saying, Razor? Yo, is Razor AI chat? Is Razor Roblox AI coming to infiltrate again? Like, jeez, dude. Roblox AI is really coming for me. I think it's because I started streaming not too long ago. They know that I'm a deal. They know I'm a pretty big deal right now. So they're kind of just gunning for me. They know that I'll take over the world through creating Roblox games. Whoa, dude, did you see that cool double jump? Whoa! Boom! It's working, guys. Chat! It's working, chat! It's working, chat! The block's just broken. Fuck. The block's broken, bro. And look at the ball. And it's not resetting, which is so crazy dumb and weird. I don't understand that. Woo! And the knockback is like fucking crazier now. It's actually nuts. The knockback is so crazy. I know why too. It's because we're passing in a much larger number than we were before. But yeah, I just think that's funny. Oh fuck! I forgot to check the server for errors. No fucking bitch. Well, hey, no, because it changed targets, and so for it to be able to change targets, it went through all of our server code over here that we just set up. It went through all. I gotta find it again. Jesus Christ! Calls. I hate this shit. All right, here we are. All right, bro. Here we are, dude. There we are, bro. There we are. This is our yeah, so it ran through all of this because it has to. It has to run through all of this in order to be able because we're using set target. This is where the set target comes. So it is working now, right? And but for some reason it's only running this bit because hold on. It's only running that bit because we don't have block, and for some reason, since moving from the client, we're not able to block anymore. And I think I might know why. Boom! That's it right here. There we go. Boom! And now, dude, I think it's gonna work, dude. Like, yeah, I think it's totally gonna work. I think it's totally gonna work now. We might have successfully moved everything over. And this is why we didn't start from scratch. Because starting from scratch, we'd still be typing up a bunch of shit. All right. I'm just a big crash out today, bro. I might crash out even more, honestly, if this doesn't work. First try. Yeah, but we do got to get it reset, though. It's not resetting, and I don't know why. We're going to look at the server output, though, soon. Okay, well, that didn't fucking work. And we're getting errors. We're getting errors. Okay, dang it. Damn it. Damn it. Alright. Attempt to X null with position. Okay. Attempt to X null with position. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. Block. Distant. Movement. Part. Dot center. Current position. Dot magnitude. I think I should just turn this off. Kills. That or I need to turn that. I think I need to bring that to the server. I think I need to bring that code to the server. Like, dude, when I say the client was handling everything in this game, I genuinely mean the client was handling everything in this game. Literally everything. Attempt to index nil with units. Attempt to index nil with unit. What the fuck? What the? Bruh. Are we dead ass? Are we dead ass? There we go. Holy fucking dicks. Look vector dot unit. Are we tripping? We're using the capital. Okay, so now it's not even. It's still breaking, I guess. Private dot look vector equals private dot. Oh. No, what did I do there? Hold on a second. All right. Yeah, because that obviously doesn't make any sense. Okay. Private dot look vector equals camera. I think I want to say It's camera C-frame, bro. I want to say it's camera C-frame. I really do want to say that. Hold on a second. We'll just find out. We'll find out real quick, bro. Did we find out? Camera C-frame, yeah. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right. I think this will work for that. Now, what kind of rabbit hunt are we doing over here? The block, the block, the block, the block. We need to move this to the server, okay? So, block. Oh, fuck. What is this? This is just the animation? Wait, what? Yeah, this is just the animation. What is this block signal for then, bruh? Like, where's our fucking block, bruh? Ah, this is it. This is it. Wait, is this it? No, it's not. Hold on. Yeah, that is it. This is so weird. This is such bad code. This is such bad code, bro. All right, so I think this is a remote function. Pretty sure this is a remote function. Um, so yeah. What I'm gonna do, what okay, hold on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. Should I? Let me see again what the... Am I using this at all? I'm not even using distance here. This is so shit. I'm just gonna take this out. Yeah? Take this out. And that makes sense. Okay, I get it. So now we can block, okay? And I think that that makes sense. And now that we can block, our other code will run. We know the knockback runs good. So we know that this should run good too. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right, let's test again. Let's test again, bruh. So now we know we can block, but the animations aren't going off. It's just the debounces. There we go. Successful, bro. Cool. The knockbacks are way overpowered. But it works though, dude. We got it to work. Look Vector is not a valid member of Vector 3? What? Is camera C-frame already a look vector? I'm very confused by that. Look vector is not a valid member of Vector 3. What is that about? Set block, camera C-frame. I don't know what that's for, bro. I don't know why that is. I don't understand that. That's kind of weird. Why do we get that? Look vector. Look vector is not... Look vector. That's a C-frame, no? That's a C-frame, bruh. Is it important to use VS Studio instead of normal Studio? Yeah, of course, bro. Of course, dude. Roblox. I was just doing some like testing code in Studio the other day. That shit is bunsicles, bro. That shit is straight buns, like dead ass. Um, yeah, it's hard because it just is ass, dude. I don't know. If you know your basics, it's time to switch to VS Code. Yeah, facts. Yeah, Roblox is just straight buns, bro. It's not good. Um, dude, I don't know what I'm looking at this and I don't know how this could be a a vector 3. It says I need to do a screenshot of this so I know exactly what's up. It says look vector is not. Let me see. Um, what is going on here? Okay. I just don't know what that's for. Am I tripping? Look, wait, what? If with curve equals true. Hold on. I think that's weird. It's kind of weird. Let me see what that's about. It's because my width curve, but yeah. Uh, okay. Width curve equals true. Distance between. Interesting. Look vector needs to start off as nil. Look vector needs to start off as nil. All right. Now, when we go into our handle movements. Here, let me share my screen. Now, when we go over into our handle movement, um, if current, what is this? I don't understand this. If current does not equal, I don't know why I did that. That just seems so weird. Actual speed equals 0. I don't understand what that is, bruh. This seems stupid. This right here just seems weird. I'm not even sure that this is being used. It's not even being used, bro. It's not even being used. Yeah, this is weird. I'm gonna comment that out for now. It's not even being used. Um if distance, okay, this works. We know that this is working. And now we have this stupid type check situation, bro. Check channel. What am I checking? I just posted that for clarification. Belongs to C frame? What do you mean belongs to C frame? Vector 3 is not a valid member. I know look vector is not a valid member of vector 3. I was just wondering, how are we not, like, how am I having a vector 3 situation? Like, how is it a vector 3? That's what I was wondering. Because it should be a C frame. And I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm flabbergasted. I'm flabbergasted, bro. And this is such bad code to go through. I hate when this is such an annoying type. This is such an annoying 249. What is that? What does that even mean, bro? What does that even mean? What does that even that it tells me nothing. Tells me nothing. I know why. Cuz we don't need to return. Duh. That's why that's there. All right. All right. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That right there, bro. That right there. That's what I fucking was looking for. So we can just remove this, actually. Boom! All right. Should do a little bit better now. Should be a little bit better. Might be ready for publish. Might be ready for publish. Perhaps. And then once this bug is fixed, it's only what is only left? The knockback polish. And then that's pretty much it for playable gameplay. And then obviously we could work on progression and all this other stuff, but I just don't feel like doing that right now. And I don't think that it needs to be worked on to get players, if I'm keeping it a buck. Okay, but I'm not dead. How did I not die? Oh my god, my server movement part just flew away to God knows where. Jesus Christ. How did I not die? We all of a sudden we didn't die? We don't die now? We don't die now? What? What? How is that a thing, bro? Alright, whatever. I'm gonna take a break from this sumo ball shit for now. At least we got the movement working and stuff, and now it's just the death thing we gotta get fixed. I don't know why that was broken, dude. That didn't make any sense. I do remember like maybe commenting something out though, that I may have commented something out, the death situation, but I just can't remember. Yeah, fuck if I know. Figure it out another time though. At least we got the at least we got the shit working. The movement working. That's the main part, because that's what's gonna be like now. There's no way it'll ever like bug out and have that edge case that happens where it just stops rendering. I just wonder if I should do distance checking. I think distance checking is fine though. Distance checking is fine, I think. Maybe. I'd maybe rather do another way, but yeah. I'd maybe want to do a timer, like distance checking in a timer. I think once the ball is in a certain range, then it starts a timer of the of when the player can block. And if that timer runs out, and this timer could be like what, a quarter of a second, half a second, you know what I mean? Like nothing crazy. But yeah. Yeah, I think that's it, bro. For sure. Look back there, probably put it as a parameter that requires a vector 3. I don't know. I honestly don't even know, dude. I honestly don't even know what I did. This code base is like 2 years old almost. So I have no idea, honestly. But yeah. I am gonna get off though. I'm gonna take another break. I might be on tonight. I don't know though. We'll see. But yeah. I will see. I will see everybody later. Oh shit. I have to like. Okay, this is where it is.